Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove shared files from your Google Drive. Okay, first thing first, you need to open your Google Drive. You can open it in your mobile phone or you can also open it from your computer. And here I'm going to open my Google Drive from my mobile phone. I'm going to open my Google Drive application. And if you want to remove shared files from this Google Drive, you can go to this menu, this shared menu. And here you just need to choose files that you want to remove from your Google Drive. You can click on the three dots on the file, and there will be some options for you, and you just need to scroll down until you find the remove option. Click on it and you will get this question and just click on remove. Okay, and I'm going to remove one more file. I'm going to remove this one, for example. Click on the three dots and then scroll down and select remove. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove shared files from our Google Drive. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.